This video shows you how to teach in sensors in an FSR61NP-230V device. When the device is shipped from the factory, the teach-in memory is empty. If you're not sure whether the device is already programmed, you must clear the memory completely. To do this, turn the upper rotary switch to clear. Then, within 10 seconds, turn the lower rotary switch 3 times to right stop and back again. Teaching in wireless push buttons. The lower rotary switch defines the push button function. To teach in a universal push button, turn it to position 80. Turn the upper rotary switch to learn. The LED flashes. Operate the push button. The LED goes out. The push button is taught in. Select a function. Switching relay function. Turn the lower rotary switch to wiping time, in our example, to infinite. Turn the upper rotary switch and select the ER function. The relay closes as long as the push button is operated. Impulse switches. Use the lower rotary switch to set the release delay, in our example, to infinite. Turn the upper rotary switch and select the ESV function. The device now has the normal impulse switch function. Impulse switch with permanent light. Turn the lower rotary switch to set the time delay, in this case 2 minutes. Turn the upper rotary switch and select the ESV permanent light function. Press the push button briefly to switch the impulse switch with the release delay function. Press the push button for longer than 1 second to switch on the permanent light for 2 hours. Impulse switch with switch off early warning function. Turn the upper rotary switch and select the ESV plus switch off early warning function. Press the push button briefly to switch the impulse switch with the release delay. 30 seconds before timeout, the lighting flickers 3 times and goes out. Impulse switch with permanent light and switch off early warning function. Turn the upper rotary switch and select the ESV plus permanent light plus early warning function. Press the push button briefly to switch the impulse switch with release delay and switch off early warning. Press the push button for longer than 1 second to switch on the permanent light for 2 hours. 30 seconds before the end of 2 hours, the light flickers 3 times and then goes out. Clearing single taught-in push buttons. Turn the upper rotary switch to clear. Press the push button. The LED goes out and confirms that the push button is cleared.